Unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing success that others are keeping under wraps. Imagine turning your passion into profit with strategies even beginners can master by 2024. Don't stay behind while others are cashing in. Start your journey now. In today's hyper-competitive world of affiliate marketing, the golden rule isn't just about promoting, it's about connecting. Think of it this way: every click, every view, every sale starts with a single understanding the need, want, or problem of your potential customer. Imagine you're not just selling a product, but solving a puzzle that your audience is desperately trying to piece together. The first piece of the puzzle, identifying your niche market. It's like knowing exactly where to fish in a vast ocean. You wouldn't cast your net in the middle of the Atlantic if you're trying to catch salmon, right? Similarly, defining your niche ensures you're placing your efforts where they count the most. Now, onto the bait keyword research. It's how you find out what's on your audience's mind before they even type it into the search bar. Imagine having the blueprint to their thoughts, the cheat sheet to their needs. That's what effective keyword research offers you. It tells you what your audience is searching for, allowing you to tailor your content in a way that's akin to answering their calls for help in the dark. And how do you know if your message is reaching the right ears? Enter analytics tools. Picture them as your high-tech binoculars, giving you a bird's-eye view of how your audience interacts with your content. Which pages do they visit the most? How long do they stay? What makes them bounce? With these insights, you're not just throwing darts in the dark. You're a sharpshooter targeting precisely what makes your audience tick. Together, these strategies form the trifecta of understanding your audience. But remember, the online world is constantly evolving, and so are the needs and behaviors of your audience. The question then becomes, how do you stay ahead of the curve and continuously adapt your strategies to meet your audience's changing demands? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. In the world of online hustles, affiliate marketing shines as a beacon of opportunity for beginners looking to carve out their digital legacy. It's not just about slapping links on your blog or spamming your social feeds with product shoutouts. No, it's much more nuanced and rich with potential. Envision turning your passion into profit, your interests into income. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. It all begins with choosing the right affiliate program. Think of it as pairing a fine wine with a perfect dish. The alignment between what you love, what you're good at, and what your followers want is key. Now, picture this: you've picked a niche, something you're genuinely excited about. The next step is creating content that resonates. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or podcasts, your content should be more than just informative. It needs to engage, entertain, and enlighten. This is where you weave in affiliate products naturally, solving problems for your audience, not just selling to them. And here's a golden nugget: building a strong online presence is non-negotiable. Whether it's through SEO, optimized blog posts that rank high in search results, or creating viral-worthy content on social media, your aim is to become the go-to source in your niche. It's like being the person everyone wants at their dinner party because you bring value, humor, and insight. But the secret sauce? Conversion optimization. This means tweaking your website or landing pages to turn visitors into action takers. It could be as simple as placing your affiliate links strategically or ensuring your call to action buttons are impossible to ignore. And don't forget the power of email marketing. It's like whispering into the ears of your audience, nurturing them with valuable content, and then, when the moment is ripe, presenting them with carefully chosen affiliate products that you believe in. Each of these strategies is a piece of the puzzle, fitting together to create a picture of success in affiliate marketing. But here's a question to ponder. How will you make your first affiliate sale memorable? And what steps will you take to ensure it's just the beginning of your affiliate marketing journey?